You know you're wasting time. You know you're being lazy. And you know exactly what you should be doing, but you don't do it. Why? Because it's easier to stay comfortable than to face the discomfort of growth. The laziness isn't just doing nothing, it's knowing better and still choosing less. It's that voice convincing you, I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow doesn't come. Laziness doesn't care about your dreams, goals, or potential. Here's the harsh truth. Every moment you avoid what you should be doing, you're not staying still, you're moving backward. The world doesn't stop for you. While others are building, you hesitate. And when you look up, you're far behind. But it's not too late. Discipline is the force that transforms dreams into reality. It turns I can't into I did. Stop waiting for motivation. Take one small step now. That's all it takes. Will you do it? Or will you let laziness win again?